Nangano sa Savusavu. Kemudian di dua siya sa Basia, namun di Inaugural.
Mr. Sharma, members of the board, staff, the ladies and gentlemen, first of all, let me thank the management for a moment of silence this morning, acknowledging the mark of respect to Her Majesty the Queen, who had just passed away a few hours ago. I was fortunate, we were fortunate to have met members of the royal family 2 or 3 weeks ago in London, and we were told that his son, King Charles III, expressed his apologies on behalf of Her Majesty, the Queen, for not being able to meet us as she was at her residence at Windsor Castle. But we know that the Lord knows each day, and I think we are thankful for us this day and decade to have known and to have seen, and we have to acknowledge Her Majesty, the Queen, in our own ways, in movies, in news, or in souvenirs that we've had. And we all know that it's going to change, and we will carry on with King Charles III. So I think it's only fitting that we acknowledge the passing of a very strong leader, someone who's always showed care and love to all people in the Commonwealth, and for that I thank the management. It gives me great pleasure to attend to this official commissioning ceremony of the concrete slab for the coconut storage area, as well as the launch of the first ever Coconut Farmers Award. This is a very special occasion, and I think I will need to acknowledge the board through the chairman and the very tough decision-making board sitting here today, and the management and staff of Fiji Coconut Millers for your tireless effort, which is vital to today's commissioning and launch. The commissioning of the concrete slab for coconut storage area marks an important milestone for the Fiji Coconut Millers Limited. As newly refurbished coconut storage areas has helped Fiji Coconut Millers Limited to achieve the HACCP, as a Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point, a requirement for food grade products. This HACCP certification is a system which provides the outline for monitoring the entire food system, from harvesting to consumption, with the aim of reducing the risk of any foodborne illness. The system is therefore designed to locate, control, and mitigate potential problems before they occur. The fact that Fiji Coconut Millers Limited has accomplished this is great news, and I must say again, congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, to give you a brief history of the storage area before the concrete slab, I remember coming here to see the coconuts used to be lying here on muddy ground. And there's always mud because of the weather in this part of Honolulu. Contact with mud and dirt, which was, I think, was unhygienic to the processing, to the food grade products like virgin oil and cooking oil. As 70% of these coconut trees are in the in the north, and it has been the backbone of the Northern Division for as well as the nation. In Fiji, there are about 10 million coconut trees scattered around in an area of 65,000 hectares of land. As I've said, 70% of those coconut trees are here in the north. And historically, many of the Northern Division's sons and daughters who are leaders in their respective professions started off in the copra sheds or are children of copra farmers. For many years, these farmers have contributed so much to our nation's economy, and yet no official recognition has been accorded to them. Therefore, I welcome the Coconut Farmers Award, as it will recognize the contribution of our coconut farmers as well as encourage others to potentially become coconut farmers. Ladies and gentlemen, again, I thank you all for the consideration to invite to attend today's historic ceremony. I now officially commission the concrete coconut storage area and again launch the Coconut Farmers Award. With those few words, ladies and gentlemen, and I wish you well.